Hi everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I have an unboxing video for you today, and this is for Scrap Diva Designs. Here's Erica's website, scrapdivadesigns.com, and her social media sites as well as her hashtag. So please check that out for more inspiration. And so this is for the October release, which will be available for sale on October 3rd. And this is not the entire release, so please check out her full-time designers. And by the way, she will be having a paper collection, including ephemera and chipboard, to go with this collection. So stay tuned for that and check out her website for more info. And so starting with this one is the 3D gingerbread jelly tote. And this measures 6 1/8 inch by 5 5/8, and the width is approximately 2 inches. So can't wait to play with that. And look at all these gingies. Even when you cut this out, you have these fallouts to use. Isn't that cute? And next we have the Fireplace mini album, and this measures 4 3/4 by 5 3/8. And I love that it comes with the binding here. And look at the detail on the bricks. Love that. And there's also light bulbs and logs. And I'll show that to you in more detail when I share with you my project. And also is the peppermint candy. And there's 7 dies, well, seven peppermint candies that you can create. And the smallest size is 1.5 inches, and the largest is 5 inches. And next is the gingerbread nesting set, and this includes 5 different size gingers, and the smallest one is 1.5 inches, and the largest is 5 inches. And you get some faces and the frosting for the hands and feet as well as for the head, so can't wait to play with that. And next, this one is the Fa La 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 word, and it's a word die, and it measures 6 inches across by 3 1/4 inches in height approximately. And then you also have the Fa La La separate words, and it comes with a stitched base layer and also a another layer, so you can definitely do shakers with these. And then we have the peppermint lollipop with bow. And I started playing with this, super cute. It has 2 lollipops, and the smallest one measures 1 1/4 inch, and the other one measures 1 5/8 inches. And it comes with the lollipop sticks and 2 bows. And so this one looks like it'll be a lot of fun to play with. And here's the elf shoe shaker. And there's so you can create a shaker out of this, and you have the also the little tag holes for you already. So that looks like so much fun to play with. And then you have your gingerbread script words, and she also has just a gingerbread words. And so I have this one, and the words here are baking cookies, everything nice, gingerbread, sugar and spice, bakery, house, gingy, and cafe. So much fun. Cannot wait to dig in. So again, the release will be available on October 3rd, the release and sale. And don't forget to use my coupon PinkHouse10 for your order, your entire order. And I really appreciate you guys using my code and affiliate links. And so thank you so much. And if you guys have any questions, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye for now.